welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while and I'm here to show you another video on how to add your charms to your bracelet. So I have many charms here as you can see. So today I have like kind of chosen like lavenderish types bracelet which I just recently bought. So I really wanted to add a violet type of charm, and look at these cute ones. My god, I really love these. So obviously that's why I bought them. And then so I'm just putting them back inside, just 1 second. But I have been recently like full lavender types, you can even see my nail paint is literally lavender. So now I have to break this bracelet because it's like I just bought it in this kind of thing, so I'll just keep it in that hole there, right? So let me just find that thing to break it. And first, obviously, I'll be making my bracelet as simple as possible, like how we generally make a bracelet. And obviously, be careful on which kind of thread you use, because sometimes I have been using, like very years ago, I had been using one kind of thread. It's not a thread, but I don't know the exact name for it. It's yeah, elastic, right? So this elastic now currently I found it, which I have seen in like many bracelets which I bought. It's like the ones which you actually buy. So this is like the original piece type. I finally have found it after so many years, because the rest of the ones like generally break after 2-3 years, because most of my bracelets which I have made 2-3 years ago had broken because of this. Like it just snapped out and it broke. So here we go. Now I'm just make a simple bracelet, how just you know and then you can just add charms in the between of them and make it as pretty as you want it to be. So here we go. And you don't have to like compulsory choose it to be plain. I've always made with different colors, like mixing two colors and like big and small, and like it has aesthetic. But because this the one which I bought with, it's already like crystal type, so I thought I don't need to make anything much to it. And also, it's not that if I add something it might look bad, but obviously I will try it in the next videos and all that if you guys want me to mix match colors. I had also made a green color bracelet, which, as you can see, there's two greens there. I had mixed it and made it, and it was so beautiful. I would show it to you in the next video if you want it. But yeah, and obviously, do not forget to measure it always. Be careful on what size you're making your bracelets, because sometimes you make it a bit too big, and then those just come out, and then you will feel sad and cry over it that it broke. Like be careful in the very beginning only. Try it 2-3 times. Be careful, have extra cautious, and if you have to remove 2-3, remove. Like here also it was a bit too big for me, and then also if it is too small then the thread will be seen, so I always try to keep it to a perfect measurement. So test and trial, keep on doing that so that it is to the perfect measurement. And then I do a simple knot after this, because that's more than enough for it. And also, if you guys want like to be super cautious type, you can make it with two elastics, because when you add two elastics it's like double secure. But I have noticed it that when you put two elastics it starts hurting your hand also, because so it was kind of extra tight. So anyways, now this is so the thing I'm gonna use to attach it to my bracelet. So like, I just directly attach that to the charm, and then to the elastic it is okay. So because it is like closed type, it's like a ring shape thing. Okay, you can get it anywhere. So put it through the charm and put it through the elastic, and obviously you need to make sure that that hole in the what do you say in that ring type thing should be perfectly closed, else the charm will fall down. So you need to make extra sure that you have closed it well. So I'm going to use this thing to make sure that it is 100% tight, because through elastic it can literally go through any hole and then come out. So just be cautious about that. So yeah, and then it's obviously extra cute, super cute. But you need to always take care of such things in the beginning, so that you don't have to worry about it when you later on wear it. So you can just be confident that okay, I have worn my own creation and it's not gonna break, it's super safe. And look here, that's so cute. Oh my god, I really like the bow thing, and it's been so much in the trend, so I was really into this thing, so I actually bought it. And I have even red color one, and I think I had black also. I bought it. See, yeah, it's stretchable, it's fine, it's beautiful. We go. Look here. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I'll be back in another video.